The Netherlands plans to hand over its German-made 155mm PZH 2000 self-propelled howitzers to Ukraine, while Germany will supply with 155mm ammunition and offer training for heavy artillery, according to an unnamed German official cited by Bloomberg. And in this video we will focus on discussing how powerful the weapons sent from the two countries are. The PZH 2000 is a 155mm closed-type gun on a crawler chassis, built based on components and units of the Leopard 2 tank. The 12-meter-long vehicle is powered by the 986-horsepower MTU 881 diesel engine that can provide a speed of 41 miles per hour. Its main armament is a long barrel rifle 52 caliber 155mm gun which is loaded with shells by an ornate autoloading system that involves the human loader only needing to insert appropriate strength changes before firing. Although the gun can be completed manually loaded if the autoloader malfunctions. A total of 60 shells can be stored, typically including smoke and illumination rounds as well as high explosives. The barrel of the gun is laser-hardened and lined with chromium, which provided substantial heat tolerance, thus allowing high rates of fire that could otherwise rapidly overheat the barrel, requiring lengthy cooldowns. Thus, this weapon can attack by shooting 20 bullets in 2 minutes. So, firing 20 shells in 1 to 2 minutes would be more effective than 20 shells in 10 minutes. Furthermore, rapid high-volume fires enhance survival, allowing artillery to quickly complete their fire missions and reposition to avoid counter-battery attacks from opposing artillery.